In 1901, off the Greek island of Antikythera, divers pull corroded bronze from a sunken ship. It looks like scrap metal, nothing special, till decades later, X-rays reveal interlocking gears, precision-cut teeth, engraved scales. It dates to 150 BCE technology. This complex was thought impossible then. Who built it? And where did that knowledge go? Archaeologists name it the Antikythera Mechanism. Analysis shows it calculated eclipses, planetary positions, even the moon's irregular orbit. It's an analog computer 1,600 years before similar machines appear in Europe. No other artifact like it survives. Was it one of a kind or proof of a lost scientific tradition? Inscriptions mention cities, festivals, star cycles. It combines Babylonian astronomy, Greek math, advanced mechanics. But how? No writings describe its construction. No blueprints, no references in ancient texts. Did a single genius invent it? Or was it the last remnant of a forgotten era of engineering? In 1936, near Baghdad, workers find small clay jars. Each holds a copper cylinder, iron rod sealed with bitumen, dated to 50 BCE. When filled with vinegar or wine, tests show they generate 0.52 volts of electricity, perfectly formed galvanic cells. But history says electricity began in the 1800s. What were these for? Some say they electroplated gold onto silver jewelry. Experiments prove it works. Others argue they were just storage vessels or ritual objects. No wires, no tools, no batteries found nearby. Yet dozens were recovered. If not power, what purpose? Why build them so consistently? In Egypt, 1898, a wooden model unearthed near Saqqara. Dated 200 BCE, wings shaped exactly like modern gliders. Wind tunnel tests confirm it flies smoothly. Textbooks say flight began in 1903. Carvings nearby show birds, boats, but nothing like planes. Was it a toy or something more? Temples at Dendora, Egypt. Reliefs show bulbous shapes, snake-like forms, connected lines. Early 1900s, scholars called them ritual symbols. Now, some see light bulbs, filaments, cables, matches Baghdad battery output. Ancient texts speak of lamps that burn without oil. Could they have lit these halls? In Peru, walls of Sacsayhuaman, stones weigh up to 120 tons. Cut to fit so tight, paper won't slide between them. No mortars, shapes irregular, yet locked perfectly. Earthquakes shake them, they don't shift. How? No tools found that could cut this hard rock. No marks, no chisel traces. How were they moved? At Pumapunku, Bolivia. Blocks cut with geometric precision, angles exact, holes drilled straight through. Surfaces polished smooth, like machine work. Dated 400–600 CE, no metal tools existed here then. No wheels, no cranes. How was this done? Was it human hands or something else? Roman concrete. Structures stand 2,000 years. Modern concrete crumbles in 100. Analysis shows volcanic ash, lime, seawater. Chemical reaction creates self-healing properties. Cracks fill naturally over time. We still cannot replicate it fully. Their recipe vanished after 400 CE. Why was it lost? Damascus steel. Blades from 300 BCE to 1700 CE sharp, flexible patterns like flowing water. Microscopes reveal carbon nanotubes and nanowires. It's technology only understood in the 1990s. The forging method died out. No record survives. Did they master nanotechnology without knowing it? Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Libascanes reveal hidden beneath jungle. Vast city, roads, canals, reservoirs, built 9th–12th centuries. Supports 1 million people. Water systems manage floods and droughts across hundreds of square kilometers. Advanced urban planning. History called it a simple temple complex. What else did they know? The Nazca Lines, Peru. Giant drawings in desert floor. Visible only from air. Animals, shapes, straight lines, miles long. Made 200 BCE, 700 CE. No planes, no balloons. How were they laid out so accurately? Did they fly, or use math and surveying we don't understand? No records explain them. Mohenjo-Daro, Pakistan. 2600 BCE streets laid in grid, sewage system under every house, brick kilns standard, weights and measures uniform. City planned from start. Sanitation better than many 19th century cities. Then it was abandoned. No war, no flood, no epidemic. Why did such advanced life end? Chinese seismograph, 132 CE bronze vessel, 8 dragon heads holding balls. Earthquake shakes a ball falls in direction of quake. Worked hundreds of miles away. Modern replicas confirm it functions. The design was lost by 600 CE. How could they detect tremors that far? What physics did they know? Greek fire, used 7th–12th centuries. Liquid fire that burns on water. Destroys ships, cannot be extinguished. Saved Constantinople twice. Recipe kept secret. All knowledge died with the empire. No modern test matches it. Was it chemical, petroleum-based, or something else we haven't identified? Peru race map, 1513. Shows Europe, Africa, South America with near-perfect coastlines. Also shows Antarctica, ice-free. But Antarctica was unknown until 1820. How did he know? He said he copied older charts. From where? Did ancient explorers map the world long before we thought? Stonehenge, England. 3,000–2,000 BCE stones from 200 kilometers away, aligned exactly to solstices and equinoxes. Geometry precise, astronomical knowledge deep. Built by farmers with stone tools. How? How did they move 25-ton stones? How aligned so perfectly without writing or numbers? The Baghdad Battery again, 600 miles from Dendera. Same era, could they have traded technology? No mention in trade lists, no written exchange. Did knowledge travel silently? Or did different civilizations invent the same thing independently? That coincidence seems too great. Antikythera Mechanism. No similar device found anywhere. Was it unique, or were others melted down for metal? Did the Romans destroy it? Did knowledge die when scholars were killed? Why leave nothing else behind? How could such skill vanish completely? Incan roads, 40,000 kilometers of highways, bridges, tunnels, cross mountains, deserts, jungles. Built without iron or wheels. Engineering equal to Roman roads. But no maps, no written language. How was it planned? How coordinated? How built so fast and well? Mayan calendar. Measures cycles of millions of years. Tracks Venus, Mars, eclipses. Accuracy within seconds. They had no telescopes, no metal tools. Yet math was advanced, zero invented early. How? Where did that knowledge come from? Why was it abandoned? Teotihuacan, Mexico. City of 100,000 people. Built 100 BCE, 250 CE Avenue of the Dead aligned 15 degrees east of north. Matches solar positions. Pyramids mirror planets. Planned city, grid system, drainage. Abandoned 650 CEY. And who built it? Not the Aztecs, they found it in ruins. Egyptian obelisks, single blocks up to 300 tons. Quarried, moved, raised. Perfectly straight, sides parallel, angles exact. No marks from ropes or levers. Inscriptions say, raised by magic. Modern engineers can't replicate with same tools. What method did they use? Copper mines at Great Lakes, North America. 3000 BCE. Millions of tons removed. Mining on industrial scale. Metal found in Egypt, Mesopotamia, Europe. Trade network across oceans. Impossible by history's timeline. Yet chemical tests prove match. How did it travel? Iron pillars of Delhi, India. 400 CE, 7 meters tall, 6 tons. 99.7% pure iron. No rust in 1,600 years. Modern iron corrodes fast. Analysis shows phosphorus content that creates protective film, a process unknown until 1912. How did they do it? Why not elsewhere? The Indus Valley, standardized bricks, weights, pottery. Every city, same system, metrology, advanced. But no writing translated yet. We don't know what they called themselves or what they knew. Did they leave secrets and symbols we cannot read? Nabta Playa, Egypt. 6,000 BCE stone circles aligned to stars. Older than Stonehenge. Astronomy precise, built by nomads. How could wandering people build such observatories? Where did that knowledge come from? Did it pass to later Egyptians? Megaliths of Malta. Temples 3600 BCE facades with curved stone corbelled roofs. Acoustic properties. Sound carries perfectly through chambers, like modern concert halls. Did they understand acoustics? How and why build them underground? Olmec heads, Mexico. 1200 BCE colossal stone heads, each unique, weigh 20 tons, quarried 60 miles away, transported across swamps and rivers. No wheels, no draft animals. How? Who carved them? What happened to their civilization? Clay tablets from Sumer. 2100 BCE describe kings who ruled for thousands of years. Speak of flying boats, chariots of heaven, measuring the land. Scholars call them myths, but some descriptions match rockets, aircraft, survey tools. Did they see things we missed? Ancient texts from India. Epics describe weapons that could destroy whole cities, glowed like suns, clouds of smoke. Sounds like nuclear war. Skeptics say metaphors, but radioactivity found in ancient layers. Coincidence or memory of something real. All these discoveries, each advanced, each ahead of its time, each knowledge lost. Why? War, collapse, deliberate destruction. Did one culture teach all others? Or did each discover independently? Too many similarities to ignore. Mainstream history says, simple tools, slow progress, gradual growth. But artifacts prove otherwise. We see precision, chemistry, engineering, math far beyond what was thought possible. We find evidence, but no explanation. The record is broken. Pieces missing. Did ancient civilizations have advanced technology? The Antikythera Mechanism says yes. Baghdad batteries say yes. Concrete, steel, flight, mapping all whisper, yes. But how? From where? And why was it all forgotten? We have the proof, but not the answer. What really happened?